Hi everybody, my name is Cindy and today we're going to be talking about what it means to be a 21st century citizen. So for me personally, a 21st century citizen is a person who is flexible, adaptable, who is not only just a critical thinker, and they're also a creative thinker. They look for alternate routes when they're faced with challenges. So something that stood out with me and that was helpful for this discussion was the TED Talk video with Dr. Laura Jana. She kind of mentioned something that really stood out for me personally, which was how parents and educators tend to reward with treats instead of praise. So by teaching people to have a growth mindset, which is what we want to see in a 21st century citizen, which encourages them to focus on the process rather than the intelligence or the talent, produces higher achievers in school and in life. Parents and teachers can teach a growth mindset in children by praising them for their persistence, for the strategy, rather than their intelligence. So by doing these little changes and tweaks in education, hopefully we're fostering this kind of learning that they're willing to keep trying even though they fail. Know that the reward is to learn. As we all know, technology and media is what drives us. Ensuring that a 21st century citizen is proficient in information and media literacy will not only help as an individual, but will enable them to work collectively with others and show range and functional of critical thinking skills. So the 21st century citizen also must have the ability to navigate through life and the career with the skills that they've acquired in school. So with this complex life and work environment, we need to be able to keep up with the world's demands. And a couple of things that I found in the article, which was called the 21st Century Learning, that stood out was obviously, as I mentioned, the flexibility and adaptability, initiative and self-direction, social and cross-cultural skills, and productivity and accountability. So what we're seeing a lot being implemented in our schools, and that this has changed for me personally as far as when I've went to elementary school and high school, was how we're now not only teaching the core subjects, but we're also introducing environmental, economic, social, and life events that are happening to prepare our 21st century citizen into the real world. And that's it. Bye, guys.